Welcome to 1CW Question. I'm your host, Vince VE6LK, and today with me is my very special guest, Dan Presley, N7CQR. Dan loves operating QRP CW. He's been licensed a very long time and currently the president of the Portland Amateur Radio Club. He's helped others learn CW, and he hosts nets twice a week, every week. You want to join one of his nets, take a look at his QRZ page and join in. I'm sure he'd love to have you. Dan, what's your one best tip for a new CW learner?
Sure. What I would suggest is what I was taught to me by an old Navy operator, which is start trying to learn to copy behind. In other words, don't write down every single letter and eventually every single word as they're sent. Start trying to let the mind buffer a little bit and then write. The ideal situation is eventually you get to the point where you're hearing a word, you're writing the previous word. And this actually will, once you get into that rhythm, and it will take practice, but once you get into that, the door will open to head copy or even making notes or writing it out. And you'll find that you'll relax even at higher speeds.
Right on. Well, that's a great tip, Dan. Thanks so much for sharing.
Sure.
73.
73, good Sunday.